Hi everybody, I'm Shelby, and I'm here with Bunny Butterson.
Wasabi, my homies.
Today,
yeah.
Today we're doing the best friend tag. I'm going to ask her a bunch of questions about myself, and if she gets them wrong, she has to chug a whole bunch of pop because chugging pop is very painful. And if she gets
I
it
got
right,
a headache.
and if she gets it right, I have to chug my pop. We're both drinking Dr. Pepper.
This
So-
is stupid.
Yeah, ready?
Ready?
Okay. What's my favorite color?
Rainbow or camouflage.
I'm only taking one drink because my throat really hurts. All right, ask me a question now. Let's see if I can get it right.
What's my favorite color?
Red.
Darn it.
Smooth.
I know.
All right, when is my birthday?
February 12th?
No.
14th.
No.
I don't know.
16.
I was close. I should have just kept going.
Yeah, you should have. Your turn.
I went down the wrong hole.
That's not a question.
Excuse me.
That's a good one. Bam. Okay.
What color do my eyes turn when I cry?
Brown. I
No.
don't know. Green.
Yes.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I still have to drink that. What's my favorite animal? Don't say owl.
Why?
Because
That's not it.
it's not my number one, no. Owl isn't my number one. It's my number two.
Oh my goodness.
That was awesome. That was good. That was good. All right, my favorite animal.
Bailey's.
No, snow leopards.
I didn't finish guessing.
Oh, well, you didn't have to drink. Okay, your turn.
What's my favorite drink? Beverage.
Tea,
No.
coffee.
No.
Is it pop?
No.
Is it water?
Yes. I heard that click on your teeth. I went.
Let me see that. That.
Hi.
You're so rude. All right, who is my favorite famous person? My celebrity crush. There's two of them. They're both guys.
Johnny Depp.
No, ew.
What the heck's wrong with you?
Are you serious?
If Johnny Depp is not your crush, then you are not human. PewDiePie.
No.
Ah! Get out of here!
No, I love PewDiePie, but he's not my celebrity crush. Are you done guessing? It's Matthew Lush and Nicholas.
You should leave.
Why?
You should just go.
Just go.
Now.
All right, your turn.
What is my favorite face to make? You gotta make it yourself.
I can't make the Bailey look. The Bailey look. That's what I call it because it's a special look.
You gotta do it.
I can't.
I
I
don't know
can't.
what you're talking about.
Is it like there's a cat and he's coming to sabotage our video?
No! Godzilla!
Whoa.
I don't know how to make the face.
You got to.
So I'm gonna.
What face do you think it is? Adjust my face to what do you think it is?
It's like the sexy look that she gave me earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Is that the look? Yeah, that! Is that it? Is that it?
Maybe.
Yeah! Alright, I guess
I'm just thirsty. I didn't get it wrong.
Favorite superhero?
Batman.
Yeah. Represent!
You gotta drink.
Oh.
Excuse me. Yeah.
Alright, Bailey, your turn.
What is my favorite superhero?
Is it like a Marvel superhero or is it someone else?
It's Marvel.
It's Marvel. Not Batman. Superman? The Green Lantern. No. Stop! Spider-Man.
No.
Batman.
No.
Who?
Deadpool. Excuse me.
I don't know. Oh.
You know Deadpool.
Yeah, I know Deadpool. Shut up. What's my favorite? Oh, no. I got a good one.
I like you going first because I can't think of questions, so I just copy your question.
Well, I have questions right here because I couldn't think of any. Ooh, what's my favorite YouTube channel? Do not say
PewDiePie.
no. That's what I was just gonna say. Don't say that because he's my number one, but I want my second one because you don't know it.
How's that fair?
That was a good one. I can't post this.
You have to. I'll post it then.
You guys are killing me.
I'll post it then.
We need to put a video of just like a burping contest.
I'm gonna post this.
I will too. Okay, go ahead.
I'm gonna sit here and listen to you guys be goofy.
Okay, go ahead. It's gay.